friends. Today we are going to learn about build your full AI marketing team with simple Claude Code. So here I have explained it full detail with step-by-step guidance. So you can also watch this video and you can have some knowledge about this, and you can also try it on your own device. So let's get started without wasting time. So from prompting to a system. So why we need to use Claude Code for the for the marketing, because Claude provide the a professional tools or professional files, you can see, that are required for the marketing, not only from the perspective of the marketing, but whatever task you want. Let's suppose you want some automation, or you some want agent, or anything that you are want. Like Cloud is a general, but it is and quite you can say quite good for any task that you want. So that's why we are using the Cloud Code for the marketing purposes. So Cloud is quite good compared to any other AIs. You can also use any other AI such as Gemini, ChatGPT, or any AI that you like. So basically, we are going to use some files such as Claude.md for shared instruction, the skill for the repeatable playbook, and the agent, the specialized role such as for posting the the post or video. For that purpose, we use agent, or for any purposes, such for the messaging or any purpose. And project structure. System folder, SOP templates, working files, then skilled reusable playbook for repeatable task, or any other. Then agent, as I said, data analysis, content creator, or any other agent that you want in your marketing team. Then project initialization. So here you, before you go to any practical, or before you go to your system, you need to maintain this folder hierarchy. If you by mistake any folder or any file is missing, then you might get the error. You might get the error, or any kind of mistake you will get on your file. So maintain this hierarchy of the folder and files, so you can avoid the errors. And in the Claude.md, the anchor file, the main file, you need to write this the code, the every agent and skill read this first, so the brand voice and priority never need re-explaining. So before you go ahead, write this on your Claude.md. Then skill versus agent. So what is the difference between two, the skill and the agent? So skill is a playbook, not a person, but agent a role, not a task. The agent is agent is a role, something role. It's not just specified for the one task. Suppose if I'm messaging you on WhatsApp, so the agent will automatically reply. Okay, whatever I will type, whatever I will say, the agent will automatically reply. So it's not bounded by some task, or bounded by some step. It will, whenever I will type and send message, the agent will reply according to my message. The skill, the pre-built or custom task copy, repeatable, same step every time. Like it will repeat, it will be on the loop, so same step every time. So own and usable by an agent, and assemble a bring deck for an example. And then on the other hand, is a specialty member with a job title, can hold and manage multiple skin, for example data analysis, content creator, or any agent that you want, and decide which skill fit a given request. And then let's learn about first skill, our brand deck skill. So reference based method, it's an. So how it builds? So load an x16 on a brand deck as a reference file, and then go to the Claude analysis pattern. Then we'll need to write your font margin, style, spacing, whatever according to your requirement or your design planning. Then third step, those pattern gets saved into a decided reusable skill. Yeah, you need to save that on the reusable skill. So remember it. Then every future deck request pull from that skill automatically. And for the example, I have given the invoking the skill, so you can try it on your device too. Then skill 2, social creative designer, connecting external tool via MCP. So before that, why MCP we added here? The model context protocol. I have made the video previously on the MCP. So let's understand it. The MCP let Claude Code call an external image model as a tool, such as here we used the Nano Banana model for the image generation. So you can also like use any other AI such as ChatGPT or whatever you want, but here we use the Nano Banana for the simple purposes. Okay, so how can we can start up this step? So create an mcp.json file and declare the tool connection, then point it to the Nano Banana image generation model, and then third, feed in a folder of a visual inspiration references, and the last skill called the model whenever social creative is required. So for the example I have represented, you can clearly see in the mcp.json file I have created this. So if you want any other AI, so you can remove the Nano Banana and you can put that instead of the Nano Banana, and any AI like ChatGPT or any other, you can put in and remove the Nano Banana. And next, AI team number 7, which is very important, the data analysis agent. So why we need this data analysis? Because it will analyze the data, it will analyze the data on the social marketing or any other, build with the agent and command. This agent turn raw marketing data into synthetic report and performance dashboard. Like as I said, it will analyze the real market, it will analyze the data of the marketing, and it will analyze that data and will it will say the make the marketing strategy, marketing anything like such as that increase the lead or lead generation, that can help. So it will make the performance according to it, the raw marketing data according to it. Then what it does, created directly via the agent called in Claude Code. Then given us overall analysis and reporting only. Then synthetic large database set into readable summarize, and then produce performance dashboard the team can act on. So for example I have created the agent. You can also create the agent with this same code or prompt. You can use it on your own device and create it. Then content creator agent, it is very important. The content creator agent is very important. So what is its role? Specialized in narrowing copy, pulling from writing skill to produce cohesive marketing content across format. And what it does, also create with the agent command. Then own a skill like blog writing, lead management generation, which is very important nowadays. And then turn research on brief into headline and full draft, and then keep output cohesive across a whole design. So also for example I have created the example with multiple skills such as writing story, headline, long form marketing content. You can and the skill I have write such as blog writing, lead management generation, highlight variation. But you can create if you want more skill, then you can add more skill. It's totally depend on your agent. Then team orchestration. What is this? Rather than the user picking an agent manually, Claude.md is updated with routing rules. Claude Code read incoming requests, match it against those rules, and either dispatch it to the right specialization agent, or if the task is simple, run a standalone skill directly. No agent needed. So I have represented some prompt. You can try it on the Claude.md and you can have a look on it. But yeah, also remember the Claude.md file is case sensitive. So the Claude must be in capital and .md must be in small case. Then Notion task board integration. So I have explained this with some simple flowchart. First it will scan, then execute, then it will update, and last it will report. And below you can see some example of the board row before and after. Like it's a very simple, you can clearly see it's a very simple task. So before we end our video, let's have a look on it what we learn. So efficiency, a system, not a single prompt. Like we learn about our marketing tools and marketing and all that. Then context is the skin, context, SOPs, templates, or styling guide, and many more, designing purposes and many more. And the last, MCP connection and modular agent role. Let the team scan the complex multiple part campaign. So many more, such as we understand the content creator agent, data analysis agent, many more is totally depend on you. So let's end our video. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.